Scientific notation is a shorthand way to write numbers that are really big or really small. And in science, we spend lots of time dealing with numbers that are very large or very small. So, for example, the distance from Earth to the closest star outside our solar system is 2530000000000 miles. So you see here a very large number, and imagine typing this long number into your calculator or your computer and then multiplying it by another big number. You'd have even more zeros. So scientific notation comes in handy because it lets you take all of these zeros away and write in a very simple and compact way instead. To change this large number to scientific notation, first we need to find our decimal, and as you see here, there is no decimal point in this number, therefore the decimal point is going to be at the end right here. Now I need to follow 3 steps. Step number 1 is to move the decimal right after the first non-zero digit. And in this number, the first non-zero digit is 2, so we're going to move the decimal point right here. Step number 2 is to count the spots between the original decimal and the newly placed decimal point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 spots. So I'm going to write 13 right here just so I remember. And notice, because this is important, that I counted in this case from right to left. Now step number 3 is to write down the digits with the new decimal this time and delete all the zeros at the end. So I have 2.53 times 10, and it will be 10 to an exponent. And the power of this exponent is going to be the number of places we counted between the decimals. So remember, we counted 13 spots, so the power is going to be 13. Now, this part is important. If you start at the right and count the spots to the left, as we did here, counting right to left, then the exponent will be positive. We don't usually show a positive sign because you don't need it. So this really long number, written in scientific notation, can be expressed as 2.53 times 10 to the power of 13 miles.